Just a short video today. My microphone didn't work, so I'm just going to do a quick one. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put my rear axle in place, and then I need to cut the middle of my bed out to clearance the C-notch, and then I need to put my bed on, and that's my goal for today. And I did it, and it was pretty quick. And basically my C-notch is 32 inches wide, and the wheel wells are just over 32 inches. So I'm just going to cut the wheel wells out and then straight across the bed floor. And then I'm going to go ahead, grab my cherry picker, put the bed on, and then roll it out of the garage and have a look at it. So let's look at this thing. So this is at ride height, and here's what it's going to look like with the fender on, which is pretty sweet. And then I'm going to drop it down real quick and show you what it looks like while it's sitting on the ground, and then hold the fender up. And it looks fantastic. So thanks for watching this quick video. Give me a comment what you think, and then subscribe so you can come back and see what the truck looks like when it's done, because obviously from what you see here, this truck is going to look phenomenal. So peace out.